Good morning, everyone. Good morning, guys. Welcome once again to part 7 of our introduction to UI UX. Yeah. So today we will not be doing pretty much. We'll just be discussing about something that is actually vital when it comes to creating an awesome and aesthetically pleasing design, and that is color. So we'll be talking about color theory today. Yeah. So how to know what each color gets to represent, how to get to mix them, how you can use them in your designs rather, so that you know what the color you're actually wanting to add to your design is telling about that particular design you are trying to come up with. Yeah, so without any further ado, we'll just go straight into discussing about color. Yeah. So as UI UX designers, color is one thing that we ought to use in our designs to make it very pleasing to the eyes. And there is one thing I believe we know, that's color wheel. Color wheel is just like our own color compass. Understand? When I say a color compass, I would want you to imagine a circular map that is the color wheel. Yeah, a circular map, and that this color wheel, it organizes colors based on their relationships. Yeah, based on their relationships, and this is how it looks like. In that color wheel, we have primary colors, we have secondary colors, and we have tertiary colors. Now, if you are being asked to name the primary colors, you would say there are three primary colors, and these are red, yellow, and blue. Yes, and the secondary colors are the offspring of mixtures of these primary colors, like the orange. Yes, orange is a mixture of red and yellow, and we have the green. The green is a mixture of yellow and blue. Then we can say we have purple, or we say violet, which is the mixture of red and blue. Yes. Then we have tertiary colors. Tertiary colors. Then tertiary colors are colors you get when you mix primary colors and secondary colors. Like for example, red and orange. Yes, when you mix these two colors, the resulting color is called a tertiary color. Yes. And in a color wheel, we have what we call the complementary colors. Complementary colors. Complementary colors are just colors that are opposites of each other. Yes, colors that are opposites on the wheel. For example, a red and a green. Red and green are directly opposite each other on the color wheel. So this means that if you want to, you can actually get to mix these two colors in your designs. Like you can use a red and a green color in coming up with your designs, and they are going to create, these two colors will create high contrast, and it gives good grabbing attention to the eyes. You understand? So when you want to come up with colors that are going to complement each other, you can use complementary colors, which means colors that are actually opposite of each other on the color wheel. Yeah. Then we have analogous colors. Analogous colors are colors that are actually neighbors on the color wheel. Yeah. Colors that are just adjacent to each other on the color wheel, and we have an example of that, which is the blue, or the blue and the green. Yeah, or say the blue green. The blue green is like a tertiary color. Understand? So when you use these two colors, it creates a harmonious and a calming effect. Yeah, so you can actually get to use these two colors, but not just that, you you want to use a green color and you want to use a blue color to join any design you want to design, you make sure that this design actually interprets, these two colors actually interpret the design you are wanting to design. Then we have the triadic colors. The triadic colors are colors that are evenly placed on the color wheel, like three evenly placed colors. I don't know if you get what I mean. Yeah, for example, we have the red, we have the yellow, and the blue. Yes, they offer a vibrant and a dynamic feel when you get to combine these two colors when you are coming up with the color selection for your design. Then we have what we call color psychology. Color psychology. Yes, it's just the language of emotion. You understand? This is just saying that when you see a particular color, what does this particular color, what does this say? What does this particular color say? For instance, when you see a red color, you know that this color, the red depicts something that's in danger, right? Yes, so that's what we mean by color psychology. So color speaks volumes, and we are going to discuss about what subcolors, what they mean, what they do. You understand? So like I said, the red color, red. When you see a red color, you know red depicts something that is having a kind of danger, or a red can depict something that has an energy, or sometimes red depicts excitement. Yes. So when you want to use a red color, you know that this red color I'm using for this particular stuff, it means that either this stuff I'm coming up with, it's full of excitement, or it's full of energy, or it's trying to say this is a danger sign. Then we have orange. Orange. When you see an orange color, orange just tries to speak an emotion that says that is of enthusiasm. Yeah, enthusiasm, and orange is warm and also playful. You understand? Like if you see some designs that are full of orange color, you see that they actually use it for kids because it shows playfulness and enthusiasm and warmth, a kind of warm feeling. Yeah. So when you see another color that's when you see a yellow color, for instance, yellow color is a color that depicts happiness. Yellow also depicts optimism, and it depicts caution as well. You know, when you're in the traffic and you see the yellow sign, the yellow sign, it means get ready, right? Yes, so it's telling you caution, be cautious. So these are some psychology of color that I wanted to explain to you that you should know, so that when you are designing, you know what this particular color you are coming up with. In some cases, what they are actually meaning. Yeah. So another color is green, and you know, all of us know when you see a green color, it means fruit, right? Just like the green color in our flag means vegetation, yeah, nature, and peace. Yes. Green can something that is growing, it can depict nature, and it can depict peace too. So another color is color blue. Yes, when you see blue, you know blue depicts a brand that has trust. Yes, and it depicts security as well. Blue sometimes as well depicts calmness, depends on the hue of blue you are using. Yes. Then we have purple. Purple depicts a luxury. When you see purple, you know that this is a luxury brand or a creative brand or something that is miserable. Yes. When you get to see some kind of movies like the Marvel movies, they use purple in most of their colors usually, so it depicts misery. You understand? Then another thing I want us to know is when it comes to crafting color schemes in your color palette, designing your color palette, when you want to pick